And we have our test for our resistance at the 55 cent, exactly by the cent. As I told you here in this video yesterday, I told you there's a big chance we're gonna test this level and we see a rejection. So now where we gonna expect the price to go by next week? For Monday, this is a big important level and important price that we're gonna go for the next week. Really important level for to actually average down, or if you want to be careful from the other resistance level that we actually saw. A really important indication that we saw in our volume indicator. I will show you in this video and what actually should expect for the next week. So before we go to the video, like and comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video with me, Trading Jesus. Always I told you, never panic and never FOMO, and always hunt for the right price value with me. And at my channel, no editing, no BS, straight to the information. So hit notifications so you never miss any of my future updates. And like and comment, subscribe. So let's go and see what's happened. So as I told you in a previous video, I told you we're gonna see a rejection, and that's what happened here. Look with me, guys. Exactly, guys. We went to the 55 exactly points, 5569. So it's not 56 but 55, and we got this big wick. And I told you we're gonna see a rejection. Now we still holding above the 50, because now the 50 actually acted as a support. Now is now before the support is our 55. We break it, now become the resistance, and boom, we got rejected here twice. And now the support at 55 and the test for the lower 45, but this is not a strong level to actually stay at. We actually suspended in nowhere, guys. This is not good, because this level actually is not good to actually stop at. The price, if we just broke this level as we see by Monday, because we visited and we close at 50, this is not a coincidence, guys. We close at 50 cents. What that mean? This is a big sign of weakness, because we test the price that we actually broke from, and this is a big warning sign, because we got rejected. A lot of people just want to sell off, because a lot of people got just to want to get out, and some people actually bought here and they just want to sell their position and the least price. This is like common sense, because a lot of people bought the dip and they said they thought this is the bottom. As I told you guys, when they got caught up, they didn't sell, as I told you here, to sell even at 54. A lot of people don't sell, so that's why they're holding here, and they can't wait to sell when they see the 55. A lot of selling pressure for our stock, and that's why we actually got back to 55. This is a psychology in one-on-one. So a lot of people buy here and sold here as they thought this is the basement. So that's what's happened for the past few days. Now what we're gonna see by Monday, as I told you guys, this is a sign of weakness, and this is panicking and people selling. That's what drive the price down. But this is good and bad at the same time, because we holding at the same price, technical price at 50. If we just broke below it a bit and we close in below just 49, we're gonna see the price actually go to 40 as we predicted, because this level is not strong level to hold at 45. We're gonna see the 40 cent if we just broke from this support level. And let's go to the other indication. I told you, really important indication for weakness for CTRM, and what I saw. If we go here, look with me, guys, look with me closely here. If we go to our SMI indicator for our volume, look with me. The volume actually dropping, guys. Even we actually got this big, massive volume up 3 million. And look with me how our indicator react is dropping even more. We actually drop below zero now technically, and we below the 200 AMA and 21, and we have this indication for weakness. The volume is actually dropping really hard, and as we can see here, we have 3 million worth of volume, then 900, then boom, we got our selling off pressure almost 1 million, then here 300. So that's why we hold up, because we have more pressure of buying than selling, but this is not enough to actually go over our resistance level at 55. Really important. Now the support level transition, as I told you, from 55 to 50, and by Monday, if we just cross this, maybe we see even a gap down again, but this time at 40 cents. This is crazy, guys, because as I can see it, this is a big sign of weakness. The volume's been dropping, and the price didn't hold at the 55, so we got the drop. Even for 45, we got closer to our price level, as I told you, at 40 cents, the technical price level and psychological level for Castor Maritime. But we got a big buying pressure here first, because a lot of people thought there's a bottom. As I told you guys to buy and load here, there's a high probability that we go, but we see a sign of weakness. We never go past the 60. That's why I told you to just set a stop limit just lower than you where you bought. Is like, let's calculate it. It's like really at 57 and you sell at 54. It's just 4% loss. So if you hold and you sell even here, we got even 20% loss. This is crazy, and we never actually go to 55 cents anymore. That's why we got a lot of selling pressure here. That's why always you put probability that the market will go the other way, but you lose just 5%, 4%, not 20 or 50 or 60%, because this is hard to actually gain back and even to average down. So the best scenario is always know your risk, always know where the price actually went the other direction, and if there's a sign of weakness and there is no respect for our level, you get out without emotion, because emotion, as I told you, in real life it hurts you bad. When you get emotion, you attach to anything, you never actually have sound reason, and you do bad decisions, and you be emotional, and you actually sell at the price when it drop and you panicking. So for Monday, guys, as I told you always, this is big major important level. If we go below again, this time we close here at 49, we're gonna see the 40 cents for Castor Maritime. But I'm just worried if we actually gap down as we have here, because there is no time for actually the market to react. But the speculation and speculators just give the price value, because they know the price value is actually at 50 cents as before if the market opened. They know the price will actually be at 50. Here they know the price will be at 40 cents even before the market open. So let's hope that we actually at Monday we see the price to hold up without a gap at 40 cents. We see a hold up and the pick up in the volume to actually test again the 55, then hold up in the 55 in order to actually go again to 66. But now the most important thing is we just need to test again, but a hold up here in order to see a pick up in momentum and we go up. But we didn't see by today, by this week, and this is an incentive for a downtrend for Castor Maritime. But as now we're still holding, and we don't need to see a candle closing here. So either the candle closing below the 50 and this is a sign of weakness and we go to 40 cents, or we have a candle closing above the 55 and we hold this level and we have pick up the momentum and we go to 66. This is how you make your life easier. When you have a probability, you have a set of prices, and you have a warning sign that you actually give you direction to get out in order to actually buy lower or sell higher, and that's how you survive in the stock market, guys. As I told you, like and subscribe to my channel. Always be patient and hunt for the right price value with me, Trading Jesus. And as always said, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update, daily update about Castor Maritime, CTRM. Always guys, as I promised you, no BS, no editing at my channel. So hopefully have a nice weekend and relaxing weekend, because we have a big roller coaster ride this week. Hopefully next week we'll have a greener side of the grass, and until the next week, keep patient, have patience, and keep hunting. So see you guys in the next video.